we have arrived at the jeep point and breakfast is served. 早餐好吃吗？Heading down now. How good? So now we have finished our Bali volcano jeep tour and now it's 9:53, so we are heading for breakfast. Breakfast with a view. This is free tested product. Oh, you can try. We have coffee, also tea. You can try this. This is my first pick, roasted tea, and this is my second pick, lemon tea. What about you?
My one also lemon tea and lemongrass.
So we have just finished visiting the coffee plantation. Now we are heading to our hotel for check-in and for a change because as you can see it's raining outside pretty heavily. Got our hotel card and now we are walking to our room 617 this side. This is our room. Let me give you a small room tour because our room is pretty small but it can fit quite a lot of things I guess. This is the wardrobe and then this is our room. It's a double bedroom I would say, and that's our balcony. Quite big. On there is basically our washroom and this is how our room looks like. We are actually having a rest until 4 p.m. that we're gonna go out again. So now I'm gonna take my time and my Wi-Fi to post my story.快不快乐？
快乐，
为什么？
买了东西，购物了。
Currently at Seminyak Square, doing our evening shopping in a very chill way. This is a good shop to buy souvenirs because there's lots of very cool stuff inside. Now we are walking to Seminyak Square to wait for our driver. This is our result of shopping. Waiting for our taxi. And what's most excited about it is actually made of recycled glass. And now I'm gonna do this honor to put this on here. Say hi to the first sticker for my luggage.